Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight.
Before we get into the video, I just want to thank you so much for clicking on this video and watching DNA Drives. And if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing down below for weekly uploads on a FRS, Genesis Coupe, and a 300 SRT. We got all three of those cars on the channel, and we upload regularly, 4 times a week. So you definitely don't want to miss those. And we also do how-tos, DIYs, stuff like that. So definitely subscribe if you are new around here, and we'd love to have you. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Monster truck suspension. Oh my goodness gracious.
FRS gets some new shoes. Ew.
It all started when a met another and they met another and they became the trio. The end.